Hey, hello guys, nice of you to join. I'm gonna give you a little update on my Alfa Romeo GT. There it is. Yeah, it's pretty dirty because it's winter time, autumn. The roads are crap, very dirty. So yeah, don't. This is not rust. That's dirt. So I'll get rid of it when I have the time. But a little update. So yeah, look at these nice clovers, all aluminium, and those fat rims, the black line rims. So yeah, that's her. And of course the Nordschleife sticker. The huge upgrade. So what am I wanting to show you today? I'm gonna do a little upgrade on the car. I'm gonna change the interior because, as you can see, this seat is broken. Yeah, it's the 2009 model, and this is not leather. Well, actually, this is leather. This bit is not, and this bit, yeah, that always breaks. And I bought it like that. It's a pretty stiff, pretty big sidewall, and when you enter the car, you always bump against it. Well, I've learned to not to do it, but my the previous owner, yeah, he always took that with him. So yeah, I always could go and let it be repaired, but yeah, it's a dark interior, and I'm not really fond of the dark interior. It's not ugly, don't get me wrong, it's a very nice interior, but yeah, it's a dark car with a dark interior, and there's a little contrast between the door panels and the leather, and I want to go exchange it with a brown leather interior. And in the back, of course, we have the back seat, all dark leather. So I bought this brown interior from a friend of mine who had a 2007 blue Alfa Romeo GT, which yeah, he was taking apart, and this interior was for sale, and I've always loved the brown interior. In my previous Alfa Romeo 156, I also had a brown interior, and I really loved those door panels. And these are perhaps even prettier. So that's the front door, and here are the rear panels. All two of them. So yeah, I'm gonna swap it out. I'm gonna remove the old interior, and there is the other one without the speaker and the door handle. So yeah, I'm gonna take the old interior out, and I'm gonna exchange it with this interior. This interior was better. It wasn't perfect, especially this driver's seat. It was also, the right side was a bit torn, or worn, I should say. This was a few stitches let loose, but we've repaired it, and I also painted it. This was yeah, the paint was pretty much gone, so I've repainted it, and it looks fine. It's only just painted. It also needs some finishing up before entering the car. You have to seal the leather for yeah, to keep dirt from creeping in. So, but it looks nice, don't you think? So it's almost new, and a lot stronger. So perhaps I'm gonna paint it a little more. It's not fully covered yet. It's hard to see, I guess, but Here it's a little, yeah, it's a little transparent. So I think it could use another layer. But yeah, it's very nice. I've done the whole seat. The whole seat has been painted. Especially this part was pretty dirty as well. And it came out nice. So I'm very pleased with that. And also these side walls. These side walls were also a bit worn. So it's almost like new. So yeah. And this seat, well, it was pretty okay, but I painted it anyway, just to keep the color as close together as possible. And I've cleaned it up. I've bought this set. I've cleaned the leather with the Cleany heavy duty degreaser. That works a charm. It really cleaned most of the dirt off, and some bad parts I did twice. So really recommend the stuff. And yeah, it's been fabricated in my village. How is it possible? A small little village in the north of Holland, and I happen to live in the village where they create this stuff. So kudos. I'm not sure if it's written down. Yeah, it is written down. It's all the way on the bottom. The address. Akram. Yeah, so Cleany.nl. It's really nice stuff. And then I bought this set from Color Lock. You have the paint, obviously. The leather fresh paint. It's you can get it in every color you want, with a sponge to apply it, and with a filler for the bigger cracks. Only a little, but you don't need much. But it's not very much, so if you buy this kit and you need to fill a lot, you should probably get a second one. And I also bought a second bottle with paint. If it was necessary to paint it all, I would probably need two. This one, I only use this one, and it's, I think, about, yeah, there's a little left in it. But if I need more paint, then I have the full bottle. But should you want to paint the whole interior, you probably you definitely need two of these. And standard, it's only the one. So this stuff is also to clean the leather, combining that with a brush. I don't know where the brush is. There's another sponge. Oh, here's the brush. I found the brush. This brush you use on the leather, and it goes inside those grips, and it really gets the dirt out of these tears. The little structure. It will really get the grease out together with this foam. It's a foam. Strong. You also have a mild version. I bought the strong version, but I would really recommend the strong. It's it's just a water solvent soap thing. 15% soap and perfume. So it's pretty mild still for a strong cleaner. The Cleany is very aggressive. This is very aggressive stuff. It really hurts on the skin if you keep your fingers, your hands too long in the stuff. It will really hurt your hands. I'm not sure which pH it has, but it's very pretty sour. No, it doesn't really say so, but I thought it was like pH 2, pH 3, something like that. So it's not neutral. So it would really hurt your skin. So you should really clean the seat and then rinse off quickly. Swipe it off with a cloth, and then wash your hands or use gloves for protection. But it's But it's very nice stuff. It works very fast, very rapid, very nice to use. So what more do we have? We have the sanding pad for to sand the seat where necessary, and we have to fix it all up with a leather sealant and leather protector. I'm not sure which should go on first. You would say leather protector and then seal it, because if you seal it, why do you need a protector? Well, I have to read this stuff. It will probably be written somewhere, and otherwise there are a lot of clips on YouTube, a lot of videos on YouTube which will explain how to work. But yeah, it's nice stuff. So I'm very curious what this will do. But yeah, then it's like new again. So yeah, so short update. And yeah, once it's inside the car, I will show you what's it like. So yeah, thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up, give a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see a race live. So thanks again, and take care. Bye guys.